be making some cream cheese cinnamon roll cups. You're gonna need some whipped cream cheese. If you can't find this, then you can whip your own. Any pie filling that you want to use. I'm using strawberry. Can of cinnamon rolls. I'm using the Pillsbury. You can get whatever you want. And then you're going to spray some muffin tins with some baking spray. You want, oh. Okay, well that got a little bit too much that came out. You get that, then you can just wipe it with some paper towels. That way it won't be too much. You don't, that really came out strong. I got this new muffin tin. It just holds 6, but that's okay. I'm gonna open these cinnamon rolls. I hate opening these things. Well, wow. See, that makes my heart jump when it does that. It just one popped open, like the old cans used to do. I hate that. I'm gonna put one in here. I'm gonna take the frosting out, the icing, and just set it to the side. And let you know that I have a hearing test done on August 7th, and then I have a follow-up. I can hear much better than I could, but there's still something like with that left ear that it just don't feel right. So hopefully I'll know more when I go back on August 7th. My daughter is done with her knee therapy, the physical therapy. Her knee is much better. She says she can walk and she has no pain anymore, but she's still having pressure feeling in her head. So please keep her in your prayers that this new neurologist is scheduled an ENT. No, not an ENT. What am I talking about? An EEG. Her last neurologist was dragging his feet on that. So she asked to see a female neurologist, and she said that she will get it done, and she gave her a new referral for the EEG. So she'll be getting that done soon, and then hopefully that will show, or she can find out what is going on. She did find out that she has been having many seizures for a long time, but she didn't know it. Please keep her in your prayers that all of this will be behind her and she'll get better. I'll start feeling better with my ear. It's just, I don't know. It's not bothering me like it was. It's not the muffled sound like it was. There's just still something that feels off with the ear. So I appreciate everybody that's been praying. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push these down. And you're going to push this up. Like you're making a cup. Just push it down. Like that. Just make sure you don't tear any holes in it. Get the drift of how to do this. This will make, you could have it as a late night snack, or you could make them for breakfast if you wanted. I think your family would like this with their breakfast. Or like when, before I retired, breakfast to go. That was my thing, rushing to work. You're going to put it in a 375 degree oven for 13 to 18 minutes until golden brown. I'm going to check it at 13 minutes. Just got out of the oven. Now what you're going to do is take a spoon and push this down because they're going to puff up. I'm going to let these cool and then we'll go to the next step. These are done cooling. I'm going to put them on this plate. These two are a little bigger because I just did them separately, not in the muffin pan. Now you're going to take you some whipped cream and you're going to put that in, just maybe a half a teaspoon. You just want to put it into the cup and spread it out. See, it just covers that part. Yeah, I'm going to take that back, maybe a teaspoon. I'm going to finish doing these off camera and we'll come back to the next step. Now you're going to take some pie filling. I got the strawberry here. And you're going to put some on top of that. Put maybe 2 strawberries. You don't want too much of the filling because it could fall off. If you have any left over, just put it in a jar and put it in the refrigerator and use it for something else. I'm going to take the icing that was with the cinnamon rolls and you're just going to spread some over there. Probably would go better if I warmed it up for just a second. You don't have to put the icing on it if you don't want to. Okay, and that's it to it. And it's done. I'll try it for you. I'm going to try one for you. That is really, really good. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.